Hello, today we're going to see just how easy it is to upgrade Backup for Workgroups from version 4 to version 7. The first thing you want to do is go to the computer that's running the Data Repository Manager. In this particular case, we have a small business server running SBS 2008, and we have the Backup for Workgroups Data Repository Manager and the Backup for Workgroups client installed on the small business server. You'll notice in version 4, the Data Repository Manager and the Backup client are separate user interfaces. One of the things you'll notice when you upgrade to version 7 is the two user interfaces are combined into a single user interface. So the first step is, at the Data Repository Manager, you're going to need to purchase an upgrade license. So we're going to go to our website. The website is www.backup-for-workgroups.com and click on the Purchase tab. On the Purchase screen, you're going to want to scroll down to the section for Upgrades. And in our particular case, we have one Data Repository Manager, so we're going to need to purchase one Backup for Workgroups 7.0 upgrade license. When you do purchase your license, you're going to receive an email that contains your upgrade license key. In addition, it will contain instructions as to how to download the BFW setup program to upgrade to version 7. In order to save time, what we're going to do is just simply skip to that step and go ahead and download the upgrade. You'll be presented when you do perform the download the typical security warning. So we will go ahead and choose Run. And the download is about 8.5 megs or so, and it only takes a few seconds to download. In the meantime, I'm going to move the browser out of the way. Next thing you see is the typical security warning. You notice the publisher is Lockstep Systems. We will go ahead and click Run. When you run Backup for Workgroups version 7 setup, you'll see that this says the 7.0 is up in the title bar, showing you that we're going to upgrade to version 7. All we have to do is agree to the license agreement and upgrade Backup for Workgroups now. The setup program will detect that you have an older version of Backup for Workgroups and that you'll need to enter your license key. This is the license key that you received in the email when you placed your order for the upgrade license. Go ahead and enter that license key now, and when you're done, press OK. Backup for Workgroups will stop the Data Repository Manager, its user interface and service, along with the Backup Client user interface and service. It will then combine the two into one and open up a new interface. As you can see, the user interface is now combined and has all the elements of the Data Repository Manager and the Backup Client. The Backup Client having the Backup, Restore, and Report sections, and the Data Repository had the Storage, Clients, and Status sections. Both have a combined message log section. The terminology has been changed from the term Data Repository Manager to Backup Server. Now that you have completed the upgrade of the Data Repository Manager, which is now the Backup Server, to 7.0, if you have any backup clients, the backup clients will automatically self-upgrade to version 7 over the course of the next morning. What the backup clients do is every morning they check to see if the backup server has been upgraded. If so, they pull the upgrade from the backup server at your location and automatically upgrade. There's no tasks or work to do at the client computers. You are now done with the upgrade and complete. Thank you very much.